Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen pump for your aquarium. We will cover the simple materials you need, like a small direct current motor and a plastic bottle. Then, I'll guide you through the step-by-step assembly process, ensuring your pump is both effective and safe. Finally, we'll discuss how to test your new pump and properly install it for optimal aeration in your fish tank. Let's get started on this fun and practical project. To begin, you'll need a few basic items. First, find a small direct current motor, ideally operating between 3 and 6 volts, which is perfect for this project. Next, grab an empty plastic bottle, like a standard soda bottle, to serve as the main body. You'll also need an air stone and some flexible tubing, approximately 1/8 inch in diameter, to deliver the air. Finally, gather some electrical wires, a simple on-off switch, and a suitable power source, such as a small battery pack. Now let's assemble your pump. First, carefully make a small hole in the bottle cap, just large enough for your air tubing. Next, securely attach the small motor to the bottle, ensuring it creates an airtight seal. This is crucial for efficient air pressure. Then, connect one end of your flexible tubing to the motor's air output and the other end to the air stone. Finally, wire the motor to your power source and integrate a switch for convenient operation, making sure all connections are secure. With assembly complete, it's time to test and install your new pump. First, place the air stone in a separate container of water and turn on the pump to ensure it produces a steady stream of bubbles. Once confirmed, adjust the air stone's depth in your aquarium for the best bubble distribution. Always place the pump securely outside the aquarium, keeping it away from water to prevent electrical hazards. Remember to regularly check its function and clean components to maintain optimal performance for your fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.